Before mobile phones had video cameras in them, people would capture holidays and family moments on 8mm film. This footage was captured in the 1970s, and with modern day technology and processing, it holds up pretty good. I'm going to show you the telecine that I made with some components from Amazon, an old Canon S400 movie projector, and this Sony A7S capturing to 4K. Firstly, the projector. It was sold by Canon in the 1960s and for its time had a revolutionary slow-mo feature. I've taken out the motor and the clunky AC unit, which takes up a lot of space. And here are the parts. Firstly, the stepper motor, the pulley, the driver, and the timer that controls everything. I'll link to these products in the description. From the controller, I've wired up to both the stepper motor and the driver. I'll include the dip switch settings in order to get the correct functions and speed for the motor. I ran DC power units separately to the controller and the driver. For lighting, I used another DC power unit and attached it to this LED festoon lamp, joining it to the driver to eliminate flicker. To get the film into a digital format, I set up this micro switch that triggers the camera shutter at a certain point when the frame is not moving. To do this, I bought a cheap remote trigger and dismantled it. For wiring to the A7S, I combined both the blue and green wires and separated the red wire. Getting this step right was crucial to be able to walk away and only check it occasionally, just like the apprentice dog. The size of 8mm and Super 8 film is so small that you need a specific lens. This is a 25mm macro lens by Lauer, allowing for capture to 4K. For post-production, I converted the Sony files to DNG. At the time of recording, the Sony files weren't compatible in Resolve. This project was fun and rewarding, and I encourage anybody with 8mm film lying around the house to do something with it and preserve the memories before they fade away.